Now look, I promise y'all I'm finna tell y'all her name. So her name was, I was in my head, I was like, bro, I'm finna have a threesome, my nigga. I don't know this chick. It's my first time ever like seeing this chick. So I'm like, what the fuck you touching, bro? At this time, I didn't know how to talk to a girl, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, my nigga, they started twerking. They started kissing each other, bro. They started grabbing each other's ass. She called me. She like, yo, slide to the room real quick. So I'm like, bro, how the fuck do you get naked in 50 seconds, my nigga? They were both 17 years old, so like, they were older than me. They started touching my meat. Not even gonna lie. She grabbed my meat. She started, you know, grabbing it, touching it and shit. Dang, I'm finna bust. You know what I'm saying? But like, what's good, everybody, man? It's your man, boy, aka Wavy Two Times, man. Look. Okay. I'm back at y'all with another banger, man. But look, bro, this is basically a story time of how I lost my V card. And bro, this is gonna be the most funny, like how I lost my V card story time on YouTube. Cause like this shit funny, like on my mama, bro. But y'all, if y'all wanna know her name, I'm gonna put it a little bit at the end of the video. So you gotta watch the whole video if you wanna find out her name and shit. And don't skip the video though. Don't skip none of that. You know what I'm saying? Cause you're here for the story, right? So don't skip the video. You know what I'm saying? Watch the whole thing. You get me? But let's get straight to the video, man. I don't talk too much.
She don't like her body, left the doctor with a new shape. Blowing up my phone cause she just see me with my new babe. The way that I've been ballin' should make the cover of 2K.
So boom, man. I think it was on a Saturday, cause like I always had school from Monday to Friday, just like everybody else, right? And I ain't really had no time to do a lot of stuff after school, so I don't really remember what day it was, but like it was either on a Saturday or a Sunday. But yeah, it was on a Saturday, bro. Cause like I only had time on Saturdays and Sundays. Yeah, it was on a Saturday, bro. It was on a Saturday. It was on a Saturday back in 2018. Now look, I ain't even planned this like for real. Cause like I had planned to go play basketball with my friends. You know what I'm saying? Just a little hoop session and shit. So look, them niggas said nobody was finna come. So like, man, I'm just finna chill at home. You know what I'm saying? I was finna just stay at home. Not even gonna lie. And while I was texting my homies, she hit me up. She was like, yo, you at the crib? Like she was trying to pull up, you know what I'm saying? But I said, yeah, I'm at the crib and shit. But like I had visitors at home. We had visitors at home. Everybody was still at home. Like everybody was at home, you know what I'm saying? So I ended up not letting her. And I said, yeah, I'm at the crib. Why? She was trying to pull up basically, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, nah, you shouldn't even pull up, cause like I got people at home and shit. But I told her I was gonna pull up. So I said I was gonna pull up. She said bet. She gave me the time and all that. She said, oh, pull up at this time. So I like bet, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't know. Now mind you, bro, this my first time like ever linking with this shit, you know what I'm saying? And bro, look, at this time I was 15. I almost forgot to tell you. I was 15 years old. I was still young and shit, but like I know niggas that lost their V card at 13 years old. So like I know I'm not the only nigga, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is though. But look, man, I was 15 years old, right? Then boom, nigga, I never like I told you I never linked up with this girl ever, like never before. I never linked up with her before. So it was our first time ever linking up, right? And I want to give out a quick advice, bro, because at this time I was young, I was 15. But now I know, like whenever a girl tells you to pull up, like bro, especially when it's your first time linking up, I don't care what y'all niggas been on or some shit. If it's your first time linking up, you either gotta slide with your homie, your brother. I don't care who you slide with, cause like they do this shit too, right? Like whenever you tell a girl to pull up, she either gonna slide with her sister, right? She gonna slide with her best friend or her homegirl. I don't know what it is, but they do this shit too. So you should do that too. Like I don't care, man. I don't care who you slide with. Just slide with somebody, just so you don't go alone. You know what I'm saying? You don't go by yourself. Cause this is how niggas get set up, right? You might get set up, right? And you might set her up. That's why she pull up with another girl, right? You might set her up, and if she sets you up, nigga, you might get beat up like by some niggas. I don't know. But you gotta be careful, you know what I'm saying? So boom, man, I was getting ready and all that, you know what I'm saying? And I decided to call her, right? So I called her and I asked her, while we were talking on the phone, I asked her, yo, is there somebody else at the crib, right? Like your dad and shit, or your brothers? Cause she had like 2 brothers, and them niggas were big back then. I know I was working out, but at 15, I was still like little short ass niggas, man. So them niggas were big back then. But yeah, but she told me there was nobody else at the crib, right? So I'm like, cool, right? right? Like, cool, I'm just finna slide then. So at this time, like, I was still young, so I ain't know about that shit I just told you about. So I just went alone and shit. I tried to call some of my homies, but them niggas ain't even pick up the phone. So I like, I'm just finna slide by myself, you know? So boom, man. Hold on. I want to give out a quick shout out to everybody that's a new subscriber, like new follower on my Instagram. I don't care what it is, but like, I appreciate y'all, man. Look, to everybody that's new to my channel, go down in the comment. I don't care if it's been like 2 weeks you subscribe to my channel, you still like a newbie and shit, because I started this channel way back. So go down in the comment section and comment new subscriber, right? Or whatever. Do whatever you want to do. But like, if you're a new subscriber, comment new subscriber. So like, we can get you in the family, in the crew, you know what I'm saying? And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, bro, I don't know what to tell you. The least you can do is give this video a like, thumbs up, and whatever. It is what it is, bro. Let's get back to the story, man. Boom. So boom, I pull up and shit, bro. So tell me why when I pull up, when I'm finally there, I see this other chick. Nah, she was cute and all. I ain't gonna hold y'all like that, you know what I'm saying? But look, I pull up, I see this other chick in the corner, right? Now, before I came in, I could hear some music playing and shit. And when I knocked on the door, the music stopped, right? So I came in, I said what's up to them, and they tried to lie to me, nigga. They said it was her sister, right? But bro, you can tell when somebody is someone's sister, right? Like, you can tell when they the same blood and shit. And I was not getting them type of vibes. I knew it was her best friend, school mates and shit. I don't know, but it was not her sister, right? So they tried to lie to me. Now I know this because I look back at it and I'm like, bro, them niggas lied to me. But at this time, I told you I was still young, so I fell for it, right? So boom, man, I sat down. We talked for like a cool little 10 minutes and shit. Talked for like 10 minutes, yeah. Then like it was basically some bullshit, not even gonna lie. So they started her fake sister, right? So the other chick, she started being all touchy and shit. So I'm like, mind you, bro, I don't know this chick. It's my first time ever like seeing this chick. So I'm like, what the fuck you touching, bro? You know what I'm saying? But like, I was not getting her that type of vibe because I was still young. But like, she was being all touchy and shit. She was touching my arms and shit, bro. I was like going to heaven, my nigga. Back then, I was young. That shit was crazy. You know what I'm saying? But look, it started being all touchy. And look, man, I know at this time I was working out and shit. I was working out. I was getting buff and shit. I guess they was trying to feel me. But like, bro, what the fuck you touching at? I was not like big, but like, that's when I started working out. I actually started working out at 14 years old, my nigga. Like 14, 13, that's when I started working out. Then at 15, I had been working out. So like, now you can see the game showing up. But like, I don't know where you touching it, cause like, I'm not John Cena and shit. But I guess they was trying to feel me, you know what I'm saying? I gonna hold you. Boom, then this what happened, man. Guess what happened, man? I was looking down on my phone, cause we were like not talking no more. Like, the conversation was dead and shit. At this time, I didn't know how to talk to a girl, bro. I ain't gonna lie. 15 years old, I was still a whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? I was still young and shit. But look, at this time, I was looking down at my phone, and her fake sister, she put on some freaky ass music, bro. Like Cardi B type vibes. Damn, my nigga, they started twerking. I was on my phone, I was trying to take a video, but like, back then my phone could not take a video without the flash, right? So like, they were gonna catch me if I was recording. They started twerking, my nigga. Like, I was like, damn, what y'all niggas on, bro? And bro, look, this is what happened, man. This is the most funniest part. This is the freakiest part that happened, like, in the whole video, right? They started twerking, they started kissing each other, bro. They started grabbing each other's ass, bro. I was sitting in the chair like, damn, I'm finna get them niggas, like, right? That was on my mind. I was not showing that, but that shit was on my mind, right? So boom, man, them niggas got up, they started twerking. I told you that, right? They started twerking, they grabbed each other's ass, started kissing, and they got up, they went to her room, and I don't know what they did. It was like for a cool minute, you know what I'm saying? It was like 2 minutes, 1 minute, I don't know, but like, she called me, she like, yo, slide to the room real quick. So I'm sitting down, I'm like, why do you want me in the room, right? So I don't know what was on my mind. Back then. So I ended up in the room and shit. And when I slid to the room, bro, them niggas were naked, bro. Not even gonna lie, them niggas were naked. So I'm like, bro, how the fuck do you get naked in 50 seconds, my nigga? So I knew they was trying to have some, but like, inside I was like, nigga, what the fuck y'all niggas doing, bro? You know what I'm saying? Cause bro, at this time I ain't know what it was. You know what I'm saying? I ain't know what it is though. At 15, I never seen a girl naked. And I almost forgot to tell you, but they were both 17 years old, so like they were older than me. But at this time, cause I told you I was working out, I always look like I'm older. I look like a 17 though. But at this time I was 15. I know she should see this video, or she gonna be like, nigga, that nigga was 15 years old. But like, yeah, I was 15 years old. They were 17 years old both. So I almost forgot to tell you. But boom, let's get back to the story, man. The fake sister, she grabbed my hand. I guess she was older than her. I think she was 17, but like going to 18. And the other chick was 17. She just turned 17. But the fake sister, she was 17 turning 18. So she was older than everybody, right? So she grabbed my hand, bro. She pulls me, then she puts me on the bed. So I'm like laying down and shit like that, bro. They started touching my meat. Not even gonna lie, she grabbed my meat. She started, you know, grabbing it, touching it and shit. So I was like, dang, I'm finna bust. You know what I'm saying? But like, I was cool, right? Then this is what happened, man. They started grabbing my shit, and she asked me. She told me, yo, like it was in my ear, right? She told me, let's do it. So I'm like, what the fuck y'all niggas trying to do, right? So I'm like, yo, I don't even have, bro. Back then I was 15. I told y'all, right? At 15, bro, I ain't even had like thoughts about doing this shit, so I ain't had no seed, bro. I ain't broke no seed, so you know, I told her, bro, I ain't even got no seed, bro. And she told me basically she got one. So I'm like, okay, cool. Then they got up, they went to get the seed. But I know they was gonna make some plans and shit. Bro, this another advice, bro. Whenever you gonna like smash some kind of girl, bro, you gotta have a seed. You always gotta have a seed, cause you never know what might happen. Cause like, I know some niggas get the seed and they like put a little hole in it, so when you bust, it's still going through. Like I heard some stories like that. So right now, bro, when you tell me to pull up and shit, bro, I gotta pull up with my seed. I gotta pull up ready, cause you never know what might happen. You know what I'm saying? But look, they went to get the seed. I was on the bed laying down. I grabbed my phone. Like none of my homies were online. So like, who am I finna tell that I'm finna have a threesome, my nigga? Nobody was online. So I like, fuck it, man. I was in my head. I was like, bro, I'm finna have a threesome, my nigga. Right? Cause like, bro, it was my first time ever doing that shit. I haven't even done it yet, right? But I was in my mind, I'm like, yo, I'm finna have a threesome, bro. You know what I'm saying? So boom, they came back, you know what I'm saying? They had a sheet, so we did what we had to do and shit. I ain't finna tell you what happened, cause if you already swiped your V card, you know what happened when you know what I'm saying? But like, if you haven't swiped your card yet, bro, keep that shit to yourself, my nigga, cause that shit not even cool, bro. But look, I think I did a pretty good job, cause like, bro, it was my first time. I think like I did like a little 10 minutes. I ain't count the minutes, cause like I ain't had my phone now and count the minutes and shit. So like, I was just doing it, but like it was like a little long ass time. Now mind you, bro, there were two, so you gotta give it to me, right? For my first time, it was two girls, so like I think I did a pretty good job, man. Look though, hey man, if you made it to the end of the video, that tells me you like the fucking bitch. So make sure you drop a thumbs up and share this video to your mother. Nah, not your mother. Share this video to your freaky cousin, bro, cause I know she gonna like this video, or he gonna like this video, man. Share this video to anybody you know that loves their V card already. You know what I'm saying? Now look, I promise y'all I'm finna tell y'all her name. So her name was
about a girl named Keisha. Yeah.
I ain't finna tell you her name, cause like, what y'all niggas smoking, bro? But like, it is what it is, bro. Look, I love y'all, man. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel, cause I'm gonna upload more bangers and shit. So share this. Don't forget to share this video to your freaky cousin, man. Peace, nigga.